This is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to book ride for someone else on Uber. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Uber is launching a new in-app feature that lets you request and pay for a ride on behalf of another person, even if they don't have smartphone or the Uber apps. So, when someone goes to request a ride in the Uber app, they'll have the option to select themselves or another person as the passenger. When the ride is requested, the passenger will receive a text message with the details of the trip and a link to follow along. The person who requested the ride will be able to track the progress of the ride as well. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber app. After that, as you can see in here, you can go to the services, tap on services, just on right. When you want to plan your ride, don't forget to choose from me to someone else. You can add new contact. You guess right for someone else. Tap on start. You can allow. You can choose the contact. Tap on next. Add rider. Add rider. Tap on done. Now you plan your ride for your friend for this contact. After that, you can just enter the pickup location, or maybe your friend is on another city. You can choose another city first. You can choose the pickup location and also where to go. Before proceeding, please complete the following information steps. Okay, now don't forget to enter the location. After that, you can choose the ride. You can choose UberX for 4 people, Uber XL for 6 people, affordable rides for groups up to 6, share, comfort, if you choose share, one seat only, comfort, newer cars with extra legroom. You can, for example, we just choose on Uber X. Choose Uber X. After that, you can confirm pickup. And that's it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to book Uber for someone else. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.